Good morning, everybody. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Today, we're going to hear two stories from Luqman, who we heard about last week. But before that, I'd just like to remind you to take a look at the school newsletters. These come out every 2 weeks and they contain useful information. They showcase some of the work that children have been doing at home, and also you may find the odd spot of wisdom. Anyway, I hope you enjoy today's stories. Like Aesop, who lived about 500 years after him, Luqman was an excellent storyteller. He taught people lessons about life in his fables. Fables are stories with a special message. Some of his stories are very beautiful. In one of his stories, he told his listeners about a raindrop which fell from the sky. As the droplet fell towards the great ocean beneath, it felt tiny and helpless. The raindrop knew it would be swallowed up by the ocean, something so vast that it would make no difference at all to the deep, wide sea. But Luqman told how the tiny drop landed in an oyster shell. Eventually, with the sand in the shell, it formed a beautiful pearl. A diver found the pearl, and it was taken to be put in a magnificent crown to celebrate the coronation of the most powerful sultan in the kingdom. Luqman was really saying that even when we feel tiny and unimportant, we can still achieve great things. In another fable, Luqman spoke about a conversation between a carpet and a flag. The flag was complaining to the carpet about his life. "Look at me," he moaned. "I'm kept in a dusty, draughty box and rolled up the flagpole whenever the army goes into battle. Then I'm shot at and left to hang about in all weathers. Look at you, though. You live in a glorious palace and are cleaned in the beautiful scented oils. It's not fair." Then the carpet replied, "Yes, but I am prepared to live a lowly life. I never raise my eyes to the sky, and I'm content just to be of service to others. You wanted to fly high and live a life of glory. You must take what comes with that choice." What Luqman meant was that those people who want to be important people in positions of power must accept some of the problems which go with this life.
May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be safe from inner and outer dangers. May you be healthy in body and mind. May you find peace and truly be happy. Amen.